Before sunrise, the world's most precious spice waits to be picked by hand.
Every flower must be gathered before the sun grows too warm.
Each bloom holds only 3 fragile threads of red gold.
It takes thousands of flowers just to fill a single basket.
Generations of farmers have passed down this exact technique. Only the finest blooms are chosen for processing.
Once the sun grows strong, the harvest window closes fast.
The morning's harvest now begins its journey to the sorting tables. Speed matters. The flowers must reach the workshop within hours. From field to facility, every minute affects the final quality. This single field will feed hours of delicate hand processing ahead.
Next, the harvest begins its transformation into the world's costliest spice.
The harvest arrives at the place where transformation begins.
Every basket must be processed within hours of picking.
From field basket to factory table, the countdown has already begun.
Heavy lift, but worth it.
Almost inside now.
This modest facility handles one of the world's rarest agricultural products. Hygiene here is as strict as in any food laboratory. Every precaution protects the purity of the final spice.
Now begins the most delicate part of the entire process. Dozens of trained hands now work in perfect unison. Natural light helps workers judge the true color of each thread.
Quality control starts the moment the flowers arrive.
Now, thread by thread, the harvest becomes saffron. Every building here serves a single purpose: Crocus, perfecting the world's most valuable spice.
By day's end, this dock will be filled with packaged saffron ready to ship.
Temperature and humidity control protect every batch from spoilage. International standards govern every gram produced here. A second team now takes over the delicate sorting work.
Nothing about this process is left to chance. Decades of tradition line these walls, alongside modern certification. He has walked this same path every harvest season for 40 years.
Every batch is logged, tracked, and traced back to its exact field.
Tradition and modern oversight work side by side here. This is where the real work of saffron production begins.
A single thread, the true beginning of the world's costliest spice.
Each flower is gently opened to reveal its hidden treasure. Nothing here goes to waste. On decaying, even the petals find new purpose. Only the crimson threads carry the spice's flavor, aroma, and color.
Precision here determines the purity grade of the final product. Speed and precision must move together, hour after hour.
Traceability begins with a simple pen and paper.
Hours of careful hand sorting now fill these small trays.
These fragile threads now move toward their next transformation.
Ahead lies the process that locks in flavor and aroma forever. Inside, gentle heat will turn fresh threads into true saffron. Here, moisture is drawn out thread by thread, with patience and precision. An even layer ensures every thread dries at the same rate. Each rack holds an entire morning's harvest, waiting to transform. Temperature control is the difference between fine saffron and ruined threads. Even a few degrees too high can destroy the delicate aroma. Modern controls now guide a process once judged by instinct alone. As moisture leaves, the true depth of color begins to emerge. Even the air in this room carries the unmistakable scent of saffron. Experienced hands can tell when the drying is complete. Every finished tray carries its own identity, down to the minute. The threads have shrunk to a fraction of their fresh weight. Pure, concentrated flavor remains.
Now cooled and stabilized, the saffron is ready for the modern systems ahead.
Every batch is sealed immediately to protect its aroma. These jars now move toward the next stage of refinement. Here, technology takes over where hand sorting leaves off. Precise humidity control preserves the thread's natural oils and aroma.
Stabilizing the threads locks in their color and potency.
This final stabilization ensures the saffron meets export standards.
The transformation from fresh flower to finished spice is now complete.
Color consistency is the first sign of a high-grade batch.
Aroma strength is judged before any machine ever touches the threads.
Each batch now carries a paper trail from field to final grade. Ahead, modern machines take over where human hands leave off. Here, precision technology ensures every thread meet exact standards. Modern automation now works alongside decades of tradition. Each thread now travels beneath the watchful eye of optical sensors. Even the faintest imperfection is detected instantly. Even the faintest imperfection is detected instantly. Only the most consistent threads continue to the next stage. Even imperfect threads find use in lower-grade blends.
Every sorting decision is tracked and analyzed in real time.
Fine-tuned settings ensure consistency across every single batch.
From this point forward, precision machinery guides every thread. Even delicate botanical threads can now be handled by robotic precision.
Every batch must pass strict digital benchmarks before moving forward.
Proved and verified, the threads move toward final refinement. Ahead lies the stage where saffron is separated by grade and quality. Not all saffron is equal. Grade determines both value and use. The longest, deepest red threads earn the highest grade. This grade represents the pinnacle of saffron quality. Every gram of premium grade saffron is precisely accounted for. This number will follow the batch all the way to the final package. Each label carries the full story of its origin and grade.
This row represents hours of harvesting, sorting, and drying Finchy, all in these small containers.
Even secondary grades meet strict standards for culinary use.
Grading ensures every customer receives exactly what they expect.
Digital records now preserve decades of grading expertise. Every grade now moves toward final scientific verification. Before anything is packaged, science must confirm its purity. This laboratory verifies what only science can confirm. A tiny sample now represents the quality of an entire batch.
This machine measures crocin, the compound responsible for saffron's vivid color.
Higher crocin levels mean richer, more intense color in every dish.
Saffronel gives saffron its unmistakable aroma and toming, and its authenticity.
International standards leave no room for guesswork.
Even bitterness is measured precisely, a key marker of authenticity.
Under magnification, no impurity can hide.
Correct moisture levels ensure the saffron stays fresh for years. This certificate is the final proof of quality and origin. Every vial now carries verified proof of its purity. Certified and verified, the saffron is finally ready for the world. The final stage transforms saffron into a product ready for kitchens worldwide. Each vial receives an exact, consistent measure, no more or no less. A secure seal protects the aroma until the moment it's opened. Every label tells the story of origin, grade, and purity.
One final human check ensures nothing slips through unnoticed.
Presentation matters as much as purity for this luxury spice.
Each pallet represents the culmination of an entire harvest season.
And this is how modern factories produce saffron from start to finish.
Inside the warehouse, controlled conditions preserve every batch until departure. From here, saffron begins its journey to kitchens around the world.
Each shipment carries months of careful work to destinations across the globe. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.